In this video we going to review Panasonic SN936B microwave oven. This is one of the most popular and best microwave oven you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability, and in this video we going to review Panasonic SN936B microwave oven. The smart, compact design of the Panasonic SN936B inverter power unit devotes less space to electronics and provides far more interior capacity. The 1.2 cubic foot capacity with 13.4-inch turntable is ideal for accommodating breakfast foods, after-school snacks, dinnertime meals and appetizers when entertaining. The smaller, more efficient energy and control units are also up to 8 pounds lighter than conventional microwave components. All of which adds up to more interior space, while taking up less space on a counter. This 1250-watt high-power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity black countertop microwave delivers a seamless stream of cooking power for even cooking and delicious flavor. His countertop microwave with 16-inch turntable is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. Smart cooking settings with Genius sensor. Built-in automatic Genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. For details, let's watch.